Are you spending multiple hours of your precious time every day trying to research which CRM system to choose for your business, Zoho CRM or Salesforce CRM, watching video comparison, reading articles, and still doubting which one will be a perfect fit for your business? And this video will be perfect for you because I will explain in plain language the main difference between Salesforce and Zoho CRM, so you can finally make the right decision for your business. So before I begin this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single week. And now let's get on into the video. And before I start talking about the main differences, I first want to make a short overview of both of these CRM systems so you understand how they look like and some of their main competitive features. So Salesforce is one of the world's leading CRM systems, helping businesses of all sizes and across many industries manage their customer relationships. It offers comprehensive tools for sales, customer service, marketing, analytics, and business automation. One of its biggest strengths is its high level of customization, allowing companies to adapt the platform to their unique business processes. Salesforce also has a large ecosystem of integrations and applications that help businesses extend its functionality as their needs grow. Overall, it's a powerful and scalable CRM platform that is a strong choice for organizations with complex business requirements. Moving on to Zoho CRM, that is a cloud-based CRM system that helps businesses manage customer relationships, sales, and daily operations. It is especially popular with small and medium-sized businesses because it offers a wide range of features at an affordable price. The platform includes tools for sales automation, marketing, customer service, reporting, and workflow automation. Zoho CRM also integrates with many third-party applications and works seamlessly with other Zoho products. Overall, it's a flexible and cost-effective CRM solutions for businesses that need customization without high implementation costs. Let's dig deeper and talk about the main features of both of these CRM systems. If we're talking about the main features, Salesforce leads with workflow automation, reporting and analytics, AI and predictive tools, and integrations and API. Zoho leads in email integration, mobile app, and ease of setup. Also, we have a tie within the features of contact and lead management and pipeline and deal tracking. Salesforce also leads within the customization, territory management, and overall value for enterprise, while Zoho has much more comprehensive customer support, marketing automation, pricing transparency, and overall value for small and medium-sized businesses. So as you can see from the feature comparison, there are some features where Zoho leads, there are some features where Salesforce leads, and there are some features when we have a tie. So I want to talk about the learning curve, usability, and also other factors that can influence your choice of the CRM system for the business. So Zoho CRM, while being a comprehensive CRM system, leads significantly compared to Salesforce within two very crucial and important factors, which is time to first value and learning curve. And while Salesforce has a higher admin and configuration rates, Zoho has much better UI and UX design and also much higher rates of user adoption and user satisfaction rates according to G2 data. So Zoho leads within the user satisfaction compared to Salesforce. So as you can see, Zoho is much easier to learn and much easier to implement than Salesforce, and it is obvious. Salesforce is a huge, very customizable software, but you have to invest a lot in it for it to work properly for your business. Zoho comes as a great solution out of the box, and it has easy customizable options that don't need developer help. And obviously now we have to move to the customization options. And let's see more in depth what you can customize in both of these CRM systems. Starting off from Zoho CRM with very easy customization. So you have drag and drop layout editor, custom modules and fields, blueprint workflow builder, and Deluge scripting. So it's Zoho's own scripting language for advanced logic. It is simpler than Apex, but sufficient for 90% of customization needs. Zoho also has comprehensive integration system, but there's one disadvantage that ceiling exists. So for complex multi-object relationships, Zoho has some limits. With Salesforce, you can reach maximum level of customization. You have Apex and Lightning Web Components, Salesforce own programming language, Flow Builder and Process Builder, powerful no-code automation, and AppExchange, the most extensive CRM marketplace in the world. The disadvantages include that you need a dedicated admin, so it adds up to the cost of Salesforce, and also customization costs adds up, and it can cost you from $50,000 to $500,000 per project. But the good thing that there is no ceiling, so you can create any type of complex, truly unique workflows. So from customization options, we can see that both of the softwares are customizable. But I have to mention that Zoho is easy customizable, and Salesforce requires much more effort and also cost. If you don't have a dedicated Salesforce admin and Salesforce developers within the team, then you would have to hire some to make the customization option. Let's compare the pricing finally to see which one has a better value for money. So generally speaking, Zoho offers a much better value for money, especially for businesses that need advanced CRM features. For example, as you can see, Zoho CRM Enterprise costs around $40 per user per month, while Salesforce Enterprise starts at about $165 per user per month. But many features that are included in Zoho Enterprise plan, such as advanced automation, customization, and AI capabilities, are only available in Salesforce higher priced editions. And as a result, businesses can often access similar functionality while spending considerably less with Zoho CRM. Now I want to talk about AI, because both of the CRM systems offer different AI options for AI automation and also to save time for your team. And I want to talk about Zoho Zia and also Einstein AI and about Agentforce. So both Zoho and Salesforce CRM offer comprehensive AI options. They are very similar, they have the same features, but Zoho has Zia, an AI assistant, included within the pricing plan and the addition of enterprise and ultimate tiers, while in Salesforce you have to pay extra for using AI, which is not that great. So if there are some features that are more customizable within Salesforce, I would have to say that Zia and AI options that Zoho has implemented recently. You can also use Zoho MCP to connect other AI systems like Claude or ChatGPT or other large language models within your Zoho apps, which is groundbreaking, and it really helps to automate a lot of different things within the Zoho CRM. So in general, Zoho is in tie with Salesforce. Even though Salesforce is a huge corporation, I mean Zoho is also a huge corporation, but Salesforce operates for large enterprises. Zoho has been improving and working on its AI since 2024, and it is very, very effective. And I would say that it's sometimes moving much faster than Salesforce in this way. So as you can see from this video, both of the CRM systems are very, very powerful in different areas of their operations. So Zoho is perfect for small and medium-sized business. It is literally perfect because it is very scalable. It has other apps that you can connect to. Zoho ecosystem is amazing. Like, I am not exaggerating when I'm saying that it is amazing, and it saves you a lot of time and money. Salesforce is also great because of how long it has been on the market and how many customizable options it has. You can build different things on top of Salesforce that will be catered specifically to your business. There's a bit more customization options for Salesforce, but I would say that it's much better for large enterprises with huge teams, a lot of complicated processes. And if you're an owner of a large enterprise, then I would suggest looking to Salesforce. So I really hope that this video was helpful for you and helped you to understand the differences between Zoho CRM and Salesforce, and helped you to choose the right software for your business. If you found this video useful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button not to miss any useful information that we share here every single week. And I will see you in the next week's video.